There's many times that we've been out in the middle of nowhere. If there's one thing that our team understands is being off the grid. So we use OnX Offroad Maps, and it gives us the amazing confidence to be able to tackle the trail, know exactly where we're going.
The Jeep brand team, we take them out Easter Jeep Safari every year. They wanted to do Flatiron Mesa. It's been 10 or 12 years since I'd done it. We flew in late, didn't have time to scout it. Opened up OnX Offroad and followed the Flatiron Mesa Trail in Moab and made us look like the pros that we pretend to be most of the time.
We'll often find ourselves in the middle of nowhere. This might be a farm road, maybe an old mining trail we're on. When we get out into these situations, we're able to track ourselves into that spot where we've made it to. So this can be twofold. If we'd like to use this route later, we've got it recorded on the app. We can easily follow that when we come back next time. Otherwise, if we find a dead end, we're able to follow that route back out and get ourselves back to civilization and the place where we know we're safe.
You know, one of the things when we're out in the middle of nowhere, you end up crossing a lot of boundary lines between private and public land. And the OnX system, one of the applications you pay for, one of the services, is where private and public boundaries are. And that's really important because staying on designated routes essentially keeps trails open for future generations to come.